Hey everyone, this is Jennifer. I just want to wish you a happy birthday, Aunt Daisy. I hope you have a fantastic day. We love you.
Happy birthday po, Ma Daisy. Sana maging maligaya ko po kayong birthday yo. Naway nga pong ginudinan ako pang kasikanan na katangangatawan at makaba pang bi. Enjoy po your special day.
Tita, happy birthday po and God bless. Happy birthday, Ate Day! Happy birthday, Ate Daisy!
Hala, sige.
Happy birthday po! God bless you po! God bless you! More money to come! More money! Good health!
Ayun na, mali.
Always be happy! Yes! We love you! Always be strong para makakawa mo pa!
Mahaba naman pala ng message.
Mahaba mo pa si Halia!
Okay.
Happy birthday po! We love you!
Happy birthday, Lola Days. Happy birthday, Lola Days. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola Days. Happy birthday po. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mother dear. I pray to God to give you more strength, happiness, good health, and more birthdays to celebrate with your family and loved ones. Thank you so much po kasi inalagaan niyo ko at binusog ng mga panahong halos araw-araw ako nasa inyo. Ayun lang po. I hope you get spoiled today by your loved ones and enjoy your special day. Happy birthday again and I hope to see you and your mga luto soon. God bless you and my family loves you.
Happy birthday po, tita. Wish ko po sa inyo is more blessings, happiness, and good health. Love na love ko po kayo. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Miles. Kung balong birthday mo ngayon niya, ay kada-agrit nandin na po.
Happy blessed birthday to you, Lola Daisy.
Happy birthday po, Lola Daisy.
Happy birthday, Lola Days. God bless you. Bye.
Hi Lola Days, happy 70th birthday and wishing you all the best and a good health. I love you so much.
Hi, Aching Day! Happy 70th birthday! Miss ko! Sana lagi kang in good health. Be happy on your 70th birthday. We wish you more blessings and God bless you always. Happy 70th birthday, Aching Day! Love you!
Days, happy birthday. Wish cookie ako. Good health. More birthday. God bless you. Di na nakamasag ka na pamikatawan ng Gino. Balo ko, 7-0 na kayata. Ne, akit mo pong mayari sana rin nga po mo. Bangat ka mag-enjoy ka karela po tang maamya manintuna na la, ipasyalda ka. Yan days. Dakal-dakal salamat. Kaya nengkay pagluto mo kami rugong adobo. Isinan mo kaming adobo. More birthday neto kam. Ilak mga kalingon days. Sana matupad din pangarap mo, matupad din wish mo kan Jesus. I love you. God bless you. Isda ka. Ma'am! Wow! O ito, Franz. Ay, Matt. Yari na ang ta, Matt?
Kaya pa kanyin yun. Happy birthday, Hatching Days! We miss you so much. Here's to many more happy years to come. And thank you for everything.
Hi, Days! Happy 70th birthday. 30 years na mo, 100 years old na ka. By that time, kaya kita kim barangay kolekta ka tagyatang 100,000 pesos mo na. Anyways, wala mo kapilang pa. Yang 18 years old ka. Anyang datang ka kimbali. So, anyways, dakal salamat. Kaya mo ko bigyan mo kaya kami. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come.